I do not feel good in here. Like, I don't know if there's like a presence, but like, it's hard to breathe. You're scaring the shit out of me right now. Okay guys, an alarm just started going off in the building. We hear cop sirens. Bro, how did we get in here? How did we get out of here? Guys, there's cop sirens. There's cop sirens all over the fucking place. There's cop sirens. Alright guys, I'm with my guy Lee right now. I'm at a brand new abandoned spot here in Buffalo, New York. This place is called the Wonder Bread Factory. We are right here outside the building getting ready to sneak on in. We have to be super careful because this is all on private property. It's no trespassing, so I'm not sure if I want to record much. Actually, should we record the runway in? Running into the building? So we're going to record running into this building real quick. As you can see, this fence is completely stripped in the opening. There's an open door behind this bush. You can't see it, but this is what the place looks like from the outside. So yeah, you ready? All right, guys, make sure to smash the like button. Do we just run? Fucking go, 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 go. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Holy shit. All right, guys, so me and Lee, we just made it in. I think we're clear. I don't think anyone saw us, but the door was literally wide open, except it says no trespassing all around this entire building. All right, I think we're good. Again, this place is called the Wonder Bread Factory out in Buffalo, New York. It's in a really, really, really sketchy neighborhood. Holy shit. Bro, it is pitch black in here. Not even my light is doing the job. Holy crap. Guys, I'm sorry. The camera quality is a little bad in here. Oh my god. Alright, alright. You good?
Yeah, almost true.
Alright, we have to be quiet. I did not think it was going to be pitch black in here. Holy crap. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, see, look. There's the main floor. We're in the basement. The main floor, it's actually lighter. I'm trying to get up there. It's fucking creepy down here. Look at all this old shit. It's super dark. What?
The insane asylum. What is it?
What? What do you see?
I've just seen someone through that doorway today.
Did you actually see someone?
I did.
No, be real right now. Did you see
So
someone?
serious. You think I'm joking?
Fuck.
Exactly. You heard that right.
I hear muffling over there.
Right. It's like someone's breathing.
Oh, guys, I don't know if the camera can pick up on that. I have a mic on. So, did you actually see someone?
Yes, I seen like a black figure just.
Fuck. Should we turn the lights off for now? Should keep them on? Bro, listen. I do not feel good in here. Like, I don't know if there's like a presence, but like, it's hard to breathe. You're scaring the shit out of me right now. What?
That's coming from
fuck is that noise? That's loud too. What the fuck? Come on, let's keep going. Bro, this is scarier than the asylum that we explored. By the way, guys, that video will be out soon. I don't know when I'm gonna upload it, but it'll be out soon. We explored a massive abandoned psychiatric center in Rochester, New York. The fridge.
Mushrooms and shit growing there.
Fuck that. Do you want to make our way over there? Honestly, screw it at this point. There's so much. Oh shit. Be careful. Oh fuck. You're good, you're good. I'll shine the light. There's just some water there. Bro, literally imagine we come out and there's like 12 cops and they have their fucking guns drawn on us. I'm like, shh. I know, it's fine, it's fine. Shh. You know what? Is that coming from the other building? I don't know. But you did tell me you saw a shadow run across. Bro, I'm telling you, it is hard to breathe.
This is a fucking deep hip shit.
What is this?
Wait. To jumpstart somebody's heart.
They jump. Oh shit.
That's what the shit is.
The fuck? Ugh, it stinks in here. Holy shit. Fucking toilet's destroyed. Damn. So, that is not the way to get upstairs. Just to let you know. So we're gonna have to find... What is this? Bro! This goes even lower. This shit goes even lower. I thought we were... What the freak? This place is pretty massive, though. Alright, guys, we just heard some talking outside the building. Kind of getting our nerves up right now. That goes even more down. I'd rather just not even go down there. Unless you really want to.
Damn. Only if the other camera was charged. It split up.
Fuck that. Are you out of your mind?
Why not?
I mean, I was gonna come here alone. So we're going down. Alright, I guess we're going down there, guys.
Just take a look.
Might as well just go all the way down at this point. Yeah. Wanna head out? What's over here? Damn. Oh god, no, it reeks. Holy fuck. It reeks horrible down here. Is that thing swinging? I think my mind's fucking with me.
No, I swear to God, that's what I thought first.
I don't know, I thought I saw the shit swinging. I don't know. It's light over there. That's one of those windows that we were probably trying to get into on the side.
Mm-hmm.
This is an elevator. Well, I do not feel good in here. Like my stomach and everything right now. Oh God. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Someone just walked by the windows. Someone just walked by the windows. Shit. Stay quiet. Stay quiet. Should I climb up?
Hell no.
I'm gonna climb. Shit, just record me. Film me climbing this shit.
Does it feel stable?
Yo, it is rattling. I've been climbing too much in Buffalo. I'm gonna die soon.
Is he gonna make it, yo? Is he gonna make it to the top? Hey, he made it.
Yo, this thing is shaking. Holy shit. Zoom in, zoom in.
Like, yo.
Alright, fuck that.
At least you can say to everybody that you made it to the top.
Hey, that's how you do it. That thing is still shaking. Alright guys, we're heading upstairs from the basement. We're gonna try to get to the main floor of this building where it's like light. And it's, you know, the only floor that we haven't explored yet. Holy crap. How far it goes up. Shit. Remember, when you're in an abandoned place, you cannot let doors shut behind you. Oh, jackpot. Come on in. Let's go in. I'll make sure the door stays open.
Yeah, it's not going nowhere.
Holy crap. Fresh air up here too.
It's a fact.
Yeah, this is the front where all these windows are just smashed. Damn, this is big. It's like actually really big. What the fuck is that?
You hear that, right?
I think you can get on the roof though. Guys, if you're enjoying enjoying this video, leave a thumbs up, because out of all the videos I've seen on this place, I haven't really seen a full in-depth exploration like throughout this whole entire building like we're doing. So leave some comments, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, because we're literally showing off like almost this entire place right now. Because we've been in here for like a good 30 minutes. We've been filming for a while. This is probably going to be at least a half an hour long video at the very least. What the hell are these cages? I wonder what these cages used to be. I don't know what was in there. Oh shoot, look at that, it's open right here. Literally. There's just a little opening out here. Yeah. How do we get out of there? Okay guys, an alarm just started going off in the building. We hear cop sirens. Bro, how did we get in here? How did we get out of here? We legit just heard an alarm go off in the building. It sounded distant, like it was coming from another floor. But there's cop sirens. I don't want to get arrested today. What the fuck? What the hell? Gone wrong. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. No, I think we were in the right spot. Oh, okay, okay. Fuck. Yo, my heart is racing right now. Let's get out before it's too late. Because we still have to run across.
Yeah, and still go back over the fence and shit.
Yes. Yes. The alarm is no longer on. But an alarm did go off. And we did hear police sirens. Didn't sound like they were too close, but not far either. What? You think? Okay, well then, the stairwell is over there. So do you want to send it up to the roof real quick? Like quick, up and down. We go up and we come right down. We take some pictures, cinematics, and we get out. And we get the fuck out of here. Sound good?
Yeah, let's do it.
Because the sirens are gone. And so is the alarm. And honestly, I don't really give a shit. So yeah, guys, I kind of take that back. I kind of do give a shit. I don't know why we decided to keep exploring and try to get up to the roof, because as soon as we got up to the roof, it was barricaded shut. So yeah, we had wasted time, and let's just say we got very lucky. I've never had an alarm go off in an abandoned building that I've been in. Not once, never. So it's just something new. I did not think there'd be this many stairs. Well, we just hauled ass all the way up here
For you guys.
and the door has been sealed shut to get onto the roof. So I am completely out of breath right now. And we're at the top of this.
Oh, that's a ways down.
I know, right? Holy crap. That's literally what we just came up. I say we get the hell out of here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, me neither. Guys, we see shadows down there. It literally looks like a human shadow down there.
Bro, I got goosebumps so fucking bad.
I know you can't, me too. I know you can't see it on camera because it's super dark and it's a super long hallway. Let's get the fuck out of here. Bro, that's what I've been saying this whole time. My stomach, my head, my fucking chest. Let's get the fuck out of here, and you wanted to stay. Fuck that. This place is fucking creepy. Alright guys, we're back on the floor where we came in, so I'm gonna cut it now. And I'm gonna see you guys once we get back to the car, because I wanna focus on getting out of here. We've had too many close calls in this building. So yeah guys, I'll see you towards the end of the video once we're safely out of here. Can you be honest with me right now? Did you seriously just see a cop car drive by the building?
Yes, I seen a cop car.
Guys, I don't think you understand, but I'm stressing the fuck out right now. I don't feel right either. I don't feel right either. When we saw those shadows, the goosebumps, yes.
Still got goosebumps. Can't sit.
Guys, I know I said I wasn't gonna pick up the camera till we get out of here, but Lee literally just said he saw cop cars. So they know we're here. They know we're fucking here.
The alarm just went off again.
Guys, the alarm's going off right now. Oh my god. Oh my fucking gosh. Is that a cop car?
Fuck. Yes.
Did he just speed by?
Yes.
I.
One went down this way, the other one went down that way.
Are you serious?
Another one just went by.
Am I safe to walk over where you are?
Yeah.
Bro, don't get seen.
There's one down the street all the way down there. Two of them went just this way. Fuck, and there's one rolling up this way.
Are you serious?
Okay, I think it went that way. 'Cause I don't see.
Bro, how are we getting out of here?
We're gonna get out of here.
How?
We're gonna get out of here. We just gotta haul ass and walk down the sidewalk.
No, I don't think that's gonna.
It's gonna work. It's gonna work.
Oh fuck. Do you have the.
And I got the key.
Bro. Holy shit. Now, hold up. Bro, we can't just go out there.
Bro, we got to.
Shh. Shh. Fuck.
Okay, we got to. We gotta get out of here. We got to.
Guys, there's cop sirens. There's cop sirens all over the fucking place. There's cop sirens. Fuck. There are cop sirens right now. They're getting louder. They're getting closer. We just booked it out. Let's get on that side of the sidewalk. Fuck. Where are we? Did we just... We gotta cross the street. Alright.
There's a cop car that's
Guys, a cop car literally just drove by. Fuck, bro. Holy shit. Unlock the car. Unlock the car.
I will.
Let's go.
He's nervous,
go.
it's okay.
Get the fuck out of here. Holy shit. How did we just avoid them?
I told you. We're gonna be fine.
Holy shit. Roll the windows up, roll the windows up. Let's get out of here. I don't care. Bro.
I know, we're gonna get out of here.
So guys, for the last, what, 30 minutes now? Yes. There's been cops literally circling around the abandoned building. We saw 2 cop cars on the way out.
Jesus, I seen 6.
You saw 6?
Yes.
I saw the 2 over there.
2 went that way.
Bro, I was just waiting for one of them to
way.
turn and come our way.
And one of them...
Let's get out of here. Let's not be parked here. This just looks sketchy. Bye-bye, abandoned building.